We are going to talk about the controversy surrounding Kangana Ranaut's film Emergency. Now, everyone has an opinion about Kangana Ranaut. Kangana Ranaut's comments have actually triggered controversy and have also spelled trouble for her. But now when it comes to a film, there is not only a demand for a ban on this film, which is a political thriller based on the emergency era. Now there is also a demand to arrest her. And who is demanding this arrest? It's a top leader of the Congress party in the state of Punjab. This leader, we are talking about Amarinder Singh Raja Waring. He is the Punjab Congress chief. He is now putting the ball in Bhagwant Man's court. His ally, the Aam Aadmi Party, he's telling the ally, the ally of the Congress, arrest Kangana Ranaut, file an FIR against her and take action. Now let's tell you about the Congress party, which talks about Jai Samvidhan, which talks about free speech, and which obviously talks about Mohabbat ki dukaan. This is Rahul Gandhi's tweet from 2015. What does he say? Free speech is our right. We will fight any attempt to crush dissent and debate. This is what Rahul Gandhi said, and that's a screenshot of his old tweet. And you've heard him say this repeatedly in most of his speeches about how freedom of speech cannot be curbed. But what is the Congress party doing? The Congress party says that Kangana Ranaut must be arrested. Why? Because the film Emergency that is today being opposed by multiple Sikh groups, they are opposed to the film. And what is the film based on? It is based on the political reality of the country as it was between 1975 and 1977. What else do they say? They say ban Kangana Ranaut's film. They're saying file an FIR against her. They're saying action must be taken so that an example is set. And all this is happening back on the heels of the controversy over Kangana's comments on the farmers' protest. Now, she is again on the receiving end of her political rivals over this upcoming film, which was slated to be released on the 6th of September. Yes, there are Sikh groups and there are parties in the state of Punjab who are calling for a ban on the film. They are saying that this film is portraying Sikhs in a negative light. But what are they saying this on the basis of? They're saying this on the basis of a 2.43-minute trailer of the film, which was released on the 14th of August. But before we take you through the other elements of the story, let's show you how the political flashpoint is playing out.
This emergency movie, who is behind the movie? Everybody knows that. This is a scripted story by BJP. So I must say that Man Sahab should do something. He should have registered a case against Kangana Ranaut and put her behind the bars.
Congress is scared of emergency movie because they know a lot of skeletons will fall from the cupboard, a lot of truths will come out, and they will have a lot of answers to give to the public.
ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਸਿੱਖ ਇਤਿਹਾਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਫਿਲਮਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਐਸਜੀਪੀਸੀ ਦੇਖੇਗੀ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਜੇ ਉਹ ਸਰਟੀਫਿਕੇਟ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਰ ਉਹ ਦਿਖਾ ਲੈ
यही इनकी इमरजेंसी में अप्रोच थी वही माइंडसेट था ये आज भी चाहते हैं कि जो इनका सच है वो सामने ना आए
Now, while Kangana Ranaut has confirmed that her film, which was scheduled to be released on the 6th of September, hasn't yet gotten CBFC clearance, we also know that the government has made a statement in the court. ASG Satyapal Jain, who appeared in the Punjab and Haryana High Court on behalf of the Union Government and the CBFC, he went on to say that certification was still under process and anyone with concerns about the film can go ahead and make representations to the board. He further added that the CBFC will keep the sentiments of all communities in mind, including the Sikh community. But first up, listen into what Kangana Ranaut said about the certification around her film.
कई तरह की अफवाहें उड़ रही हैं कि हमारी फिल्म इमरजेंसी को सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट मिल गया है. इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. इनफैक्ट हमें हमारी फिल्म क्लियर हो गई थी लेकिन उसकी सर्टिफिकेशन रोक ली गई है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं जान से मार देने की और सेंसर वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा धमकियां आ रही हैं. तो हम पे ये प्रेशर है कि मिसेस गांधी के असैसिनेशन ना दिखाएं, भिंडनवाला को ना दिखाएं, पंजाब राइट्स ना दिखाएं. आई डोंट नो कि फिर क्या दिखाएं कि क्या हुआ कि फिल्म अचानक से ब्लैकआउट हो जाती है. सो This is unbelievable time for me, and I'm very sorry for the state of things in this country.
Now, it started with the demand for a ban, and that was first made by some groups in Punjab. Now, why are they raising this demand? What are the reasons? Why are Sikh groups in Punjab up in arms? Why did the Delhi unit of the Shiromani Akali Dal shoot off a notice to the CBFC? What are the reasons they cited over there? Let's listen into what they have to say.
ਫਿਲਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਸਿੱਖ ਭਾਵਨਾ ਨੂੰ ਠੇਸ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਈ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੋਸ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪਲੇਟਫਾਰਮਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੁੱਕਿਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ ਮਾਫੀ ਮੰਗੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਫਿਲਮ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਲੱਗਣ ਨਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ
ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਵਾਂ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮੀ ਯੋਧਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਅਪਮਾਨਿਤ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਐਮਰਜੈਂਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਕਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਢਾਹ ਲਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਯਤਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਫਿਲਮਕਾਰਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੂਰਨ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਪਾਬੰਦੀ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਫਿਲਮ ਨਿਰਮਾਤਾ ਫਿਲਮ ਅਭਿਨੇਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿੰਮੇਵਾਰ ਹੈ
कल मेरे पास सिख डेलीगेशन मैंने समझा छोटा डेलीगेशन है नहीं बल्कि सारे गुरुद्वारों के मुखिया लोग जितने हैं कोर के साथ मिलकर आए हैं वो यही कहते हैं कि भाई अब जो नई मूवी बनी है कि उसका नाम है इमरजेंसी उसके अंदर हम सिख बरादरी को उसके अंदर बेइज्जती की गई है.
Now, viewers, let's also tell you about those films which actually faced the wrath of the emergency back in 1975. Andhi in 1975, a Sanjeev Kumar and Suchitra Sen starrer, was banned during the emergency period. Why? It was banned as it was based on Indira Gandhi's life. Now, that is what people used to say back then. There is another film known as Kissa Kursi Ka. It was Amrit Nahata's political satire on the Indira government. What had happened back then? There were all prints of the film were destroyed on the orders of Sanjay Gandhi's aide, who was the INB minister back then. Then there was a film called Nasbandi. It was a political spoof on the excesses of the emergency. And in this film, there were a lot of, duplicates of top actors who had featured in this film. It was also banned right after it was released. Now, then would you also know that one scene in Sholay, the iconic film Sholay, was changed last minute. Why? The film's climax was changed because back then the censor board worried that showing a cop as a vigilante, that iconic scene in the last, if a cop is shown as a vigilante in emergency times, what kind of sentiments would it provoke? So these are the facts as they stand. And now let's actually open this up to our guests. It's Rajagopalan, senior journalist, joining us, and Dr. Nikul Patel, Congress leader. Dr. Nikul Patel, there are demands for a ban on Kangana Ranaut's film. There are Sikh groups in Punjab who, on the basis of a trailer, are saying that this is portraying Sikhs negatively. But going ahead and saying that file an FIR against her and put her in jail and set an example, what kind of, mohabbat ki dukaan is this? If you could just unmute yourself, Mr. Patel.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. See, firstly, when we talk of a movie, definitely an actor or an actress want to portray the character which was there in the original theme, right? Now, when it comes to emergency, Kangana Ranaut wants to try to portray the image of Indira Gandhi ji and what happened during the emergency. But apart from that, whatever entire movie theme is about the Sikhs, and the Sikh people are definitely hurt with the sentiments. And that is why they are opposing. If they are feeling that something is not with respect to their own feeling, then they must be removed. That is what the Kangana Ranaut must also understand, because when she shoot these movies, she was not member of parliament.
Mr. Patel, I completely get that. Yes, there are Sikh groups who are today saying that they are upset over the film's trailer. They feel that Sikhs are not being portrayed in the right light. And like the government stated in the Punjab and Haryana High Court, that everyone who has a concern can bring about their representations to the CBFC. But demanding Kangana Ranaut's arrest, is that tolerance?
Yeah, arrest will depend upon the sections that are being filed. Somebody has to file a complaint and FIR will be lodged. If FIR is lodged and if the consequences are such that there is a need of arrest, then it will be depending upon the law.
But Mr.
not a
Patel,
individual
the
statement.
demand for the arrest is coming in from a very senior leader of your own party. We are talking about the Punjab Congress chief, Amarinder Singh Waring.
Definitely, they are the sentiments which are attached to the people of Punjab and Haryana, because Bharatiya Janata Party don't want even farmers to get protest. So this is the feeling that is anti-government feeling for this. Now Kangana Ranaut being member of parliament, she has to look into the sentiment of the people. Now she is not only actress, she is the representative of the people also.
Yes, and you are calling for the arrest of an MP. This is an advice being given by your leader to Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister of Punjab, that arrest her, file an FIR and set an example. Let me actually come back to you because we also have senior journalist Rajagopalan joining us. They're demanding the demand for a ban coming in. There are a lot of concerns being raised, but what we know so far is that so far a 2.43-minute trailer has been released, Mr. Rajagopalan. Over that, there are some groups who are upset, but calling for Kangana's arrest, the BJP then goes ahead and says that yes, the emergency mindset is exposed.
Yes. The Congress is always on emergency mindset. I tell you, Sabir Ali, the Telangana advisor to the government, the advisor to the Telangana government, also said that. And Himachal Pradesh will ban it, Punjab will ban it. Then where is this expression? Freedom of expression, freedom of speech. And second thing, Mitra ji, what did Rahul Gandhi say? Daromat, 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 Katakat, Katakat. ये डरो मत बोल रहे थे, ये डर गया क्यों? एक 2 मिनट फिल्म में इतना बड़ा पैसा डाल करके फिल्म बनाया है, पिछले 3 साल से ये फिल्म बन रही है, वो एक ट्रेलर आने में इन लोगों को गुस्सा आ गया. ये कांग्रेस इज इंस्टिगेटिंग दिस सिख कम्युनिटी. एंड सेकंड थिंग, इट इज सो जॉर्ज सोरोस टूल किट. सेकंड थिंग, आई टेल यू, Samvidhan Hatya Divas, government has announced it. Why did government also succumb to this? I am answering. Government should answer, because the BJP government on June 25th from next year onwards, it is Samvidhan Hatya Divas, emergency. So therefore, CB, it's a Central Board of Film Certification, should also come out clean on this. And you have only 4 days go. And 6th of September, the film will be released. And second thing, this Congress, Ginger Group, this type of jokers in Congress, they go and say the Punjab Chief Minister, the Congress Chief, is really a joker like Chiranjit Singh Channi.
Let's actually not use that kind of language, Mr. Rajagopalan, because the other side will also come out and say things, and then this will be an unending mudslinging match. I agree. The demand for an arrest, if there is a party that says that we are champions of free speech, and then if they demand the arrest of an actor come member of parliament on the basis of a film, then obviously that should be questioned. Let me again, Rajagopalan sir, I'll just come to you. Mr. Rajagopalan, I'll just come to you. Nikul Patel, free speech, Mohabbat ki dukaan, Jai Samvidhan, we are for the rights of free speech. Where are all the champions of free speech now? And also look at the kind of words that are being used for Kangana Ranaut.
See, when we talk of Kangana Ranaut ji, right, what kind of words she was speaking for farmers, I think that has to also be taken care of. Now she wants to make the movie and want to please Bharatiya Janata Party that, see, I am making a movie which is against the Sikh community, which are raising voice against the government.
No, making a film on the emergency, how are you calling it a... No, one second, you are saying this is a... One second, hold on. No, you just said that this is a film against the Sikh community, but this is a film against the emergency.
Including a freedom of speech. I'm just letting you what is freedom of speech. That is what I want to convey. Now it's the part of Congress. If Congress wants to put some own emotions and telling that this should happen, why not? If government, if you 31st October film was not released, it was also held for release by then censor board. It was around 2016. At that time also, I think Narendra Modi government was there. So any movie is under the purview of censor board, and if they allow the permits to get released, then nobody can stop it. I think so it is a decision of censor board. We as a people of the country have a right to give our emotions and speech. If it is against any community, then definitely it is our due right to speak that this should not happen in the country, because they are portraying that they are anti-national.
But Mr. Nikul Patel, the film is a political thriller on emergency. Can you deny that the emergency happened? Can the Congress party deny that the emergency happened? It is a film on emergency. It is a film on what happened during the emergency. How are you saying that this is a film against the Sikh community?
What is the contention? That has to be taken care of. We are not against the movie Emergency, or we are not against what has happened there. But the movie is portraying Sikh as anti-national.
No, but then how are you calling, if you're saying you're not against the film, why are you calling for the arrest of Kangana Ranaut?
In 31st October movie also, and the people like Raj Gopalan sir is telling that we are jokers. We are not jokers. We are
No, he didn't.
national.
No,
we are
he didn't.
nationalists. We are in the interest of the larger interest of the people.
On the Kissa Kusika. On the Kissa Kusika, why did you ban?
It is not Kissa Kusika, Raj Gopalan ji.
Kissa Kusika,
it is with the emotions of the people of that particular community.
डरो मत क्यों बोल रहे थे? डरो मत, किसको डर रहे थे? डरो मत क्यों राहुल गांधी बोल रहे?
That they are anti-national because they are.
Okay, one second. Okay, Dr. Nikul Patel, you had your say. Let Rajagopalan come in. Mr. Rajagopalan, the Congress party will say that this is an attempt to incite the Sikh community. This is an attempt to show the Sikh community in a bad light. The other side, or the filmmakers, say that no, this is a political thriller. It is made on the emergency, which is the hard truth of our country. It did happen. We can't deny what happened in the emergency.
Madam, you talk about emergency. Congress opposes every freedom of expression. For example, Kashmir fights. For example, other regional parties, regional languages. Emergency, they don't want emergency because during 2024 election, Rahul Gandhi held his constitution book and went around the country and said, Samvidhan, hatya ho jayega. Kiddhar hatya ho raha hai? Abhi to hatya ho raha hai. Punjab government is banning it. Telangana government is banning this film. So they should not be, go to the extreme of arrest of Kangana Ranaut. She is a member of parliament and she has every right to speak. Whatever she says, Congress is opposed to that. Then why did Rahul Gandhi daro? डरो मत बोल रही है क्यों डर रहे फिर कांग्रेस स्पोक्सपर्सन आल्सो डर रहे क्यों therefore there should be right.
Dr. Patel, 1 second. Dr. Patel, the question that is being asked is the opposition to the film is on the basis of a 2.43-minute trailer. The film Emergency is based on emergency and not on the Sikh community. That is what the makers go on to say. Then how are you telling the Sikh community that this is a film that is against the Sikh community?
That is what the people have put the representation, and that is what we have seen, and that is what is representation. That is what we are reflecting, right?
So on
we
the
are not
basis
against
of those,
the movie.
on the basis of those representations, you are saying Kangana Ranaut must be arrested.
We are, see, that I have said, if the complaint is filed, if the law states that there should be an arrest, then and then we are not against the
asking for that. One of your tallest leaders in the state of Punjab has gone ahead and said it in no uncertain terms. Arrest her, put her in jail, file an FIR against her.
That is what is the freedom of speech. That is
freedom of speech. Calling for somebody's arrest is freedom of speech.
She must also file a case.
So Mr. Rajagopalan, he says calling for an arrest is also freedom of speech. And gentlemen, I have very little time here, but this controversy is not going to die down. You have the film Emergency by Kangana Ranaut, which is facing stiff opposition. The government in the High Court goes on to say that they will ensure that every community's sentiment is kept in mind. Thank you, gentlemen.